In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WP Cli. WP Cli is a really handy tool which allows you to administer WordPress using the command line. It can save a lot of time, especially if you're doing a lot of operations or repetitive work or managing a lot of WordPress sites. If you're an enterprise engineer or developer or someone who looks after infrastructure, it's definitely a useful tool to get to know. So we're just going to follow the tutorial here on wp-cli.org, and all we need to do is use these commands here. So we copy this one and I'm going to paste it into my command line. This just shows if you've got to check that it's working. Okay, we can see that it's installed, and then what we do is just going to change the permissions and move the directory. Okay, and that's WP Cli installed. So you may be wondering what you can actually do with it. To get a list of commands or help commands, you can type WP help. And I actually find just Googling it works as well. Can give you a lot of information. So what I use this for a lot of the time is exporting WordPress databases and importing them, or doing migration work. You can also use it to install plugins, deactivate plugins, add users, add administration users, reset passwords. You can do everything pretty much from the CLI tool. So it's really, really handy. Like I said, if you want to know more about it, check out the WP Cli page. But it will cover, it will certainly help you in your WordPress journey to learn this, especially if you're using WordPress every day or doing any development work. In other videos, I'll show you how to export databases and import databases with this tool, which will be very exciting. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.